Is your Mac unsupported? Don't worry, in this video I'll show how to use Open Core Legacy Patcher. What is that, you may ask? Well, this allows you to install the newest or at least newer version of macOS on your Cambodian calculator. You'll need at least 16GB pen drive, but I recommend 32 gigs. Also, you'll need an internet connection. First, download OpenCore patcher.pkg from their GitHub, link in the description. Then you install it, open the file and press continue 2 times. After it's done installing, open the OpenCore app, plug in a reasonably sized USB drive and click create installer. Then download macOS installer. Now select the version of macOS you want to install. I'll do Monterey because my concrete slabs work like shit on newer versions. Now you'll have to wait for the installer to download. Once it's done, press yes when it asks you to create the installer. Select your installer, then your pen drive. Disclaimer: this will wipe your pen drive. And then confirm it. Now let's wait for the OpenCore to write the installer to the drive. In this part, just follow what I'm doing on the screen. When it asks you if you want to reboot it, ignore it. We'll do that manually. Now let's turn the fucker off. When it's off, press the power button and hold the Option or Alt key depending on your keyboard. When you see the boot picker, stop holding Alt and select your installer. But before, select EFI boot. Click on the disk utility, select your system drive and format it to APFS. Disclaimer: this will nuke all your data on the drive, so backup it. I will call my drive Macintosh SSD. close out of disk utility and click Install macOS Monterey or other version. Click through it, select your drive, then press install. Now we wait. Now, after you configure the OS, the OpenCore app should open by itself. But if it doesn't, just open it. We'll have to do two things in there. Let's start by installing root patches. Just click Post Install Root Patch, then click Start Root Patching. When it asks you if you want to reboot, press Ignore, we will reboot later. Okay, now let's install OpenCore to our disk, so we won't need to use our pen drive to boot. Click Build and install OpenCore. When it asks you if you want to install OpenCore, press Install to disk. Select your system drive and press your EFI partition. Now, when it asks you if you want to reboot, press Reboot. Please like and subscribe if you think the video was helpful. And if you want, comment what kind of video you would like to see next. Maybe something more retro or something not Mac related. Or just maybe programming for Power Mac G5 or something different. I look in the comment, maybe your idea will be the one. Goodbye!